Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about the pronoun it. I'll cover the 6 functions of this pronoun, common mistakes between singular and plural forms, the difference between its, and how to use it. Ready? Let's go. It is a neuter personal pronoun used in the third person singular. What it refers to, everything except human beings. This includes animals, objects, things, ideas, feelings, and places. Main function, to replace nouns that do not refer to human beings. Important note, in English we don't refer to objects as he or she based on grammatical gender, masculine, feminine. We simply use it. It plus is als its. Roles in a sentence. As subject, the one who performs the action. The car is fast. It is red. I have an idea. It's brilliant. As object, the one who receives the action. Where is my cell phone? I lost it. I love pizza. I eat it every week. The invisible subject. Non-existent subject. Unlike some other languages, in English, a sentence needs to have a subject. We use it to fill the empty space when there is no specific person performing the action. Examples. Weather, it's raining. Never say just, is raining, in the simple present.
It snowed yesterday. It is hot today.
Dates and times, it's 5 o'clock, it's Monday, it's my birthday. Distance.
It is far from here. It's 16 kilometers to the beach.
Identification, who is it? We use the pronoun it to identify someone in specific situations, even if they are people.
Hello, who is it?
It's me, John.
Knocking on the door,
Who is it?
It is the police.
babies and animals. If we don't know the sex, is it a boy or a girl? Crucial tip. If the animal is a family pet and has a name, we generally use he or she. Calling a pet it can sound rude or cold to the owner.
It is beautiful. She is beautiful.
It as a substitute, to avoid repetition. In English, we use it to refer back to an object, animal, place, or idea that has already been mentioned. Without it, we would have to repeat the name of the thing several times, which makes the conversation tiresome. Comparative example. Without it, repetitive. I bought a new motorcycle, but I don't like the motorcycle because the motorcycle is too slow. With it, natural. I bought a new motorcycle, but I don't like it because it is too slow. For objects.
Where is my bag? I can't find it.
For animals.
The dog is hungry. Give it some food.
For ideas or situations.
I know you're tired, and I understand it.
Common confusion. It's versus its. This is a very common mistake. It's with apostrophe. Its is a contraction, abbreviation, of 2 verb forms. It is, it has, used in the present perfect. Example.
It's a beautiful day.
It's without apostrophe. Its is a possessive adjective. It is used to indicate that something belongs to an object, animal, place, or idea, neutral things. It works the same way as his or her, but for things that are not people. Example. The company changed its logo. Essential idiomatic expressions. In these expressions, it doesn't mean anything specific, but it completes the sentence.
I get it. Ah, now I understand.
Make it. To manage to get somewhere.
I can't make it to the party.
Call it a day. To stop working for today.
We are tired. Let's call it a day.
Hold it. Stop.
Hold it. Don't touch that.
The golden rule, singular versus plural. It is always singular. If you are talking about several things, for example, keys, cars, you should use they or them. Example. Where are the keys? Correct. They are on the table. Incorrect. It is on the table. The golden rule. It is only singular. If you are talking about two or more things or animals, always use they or them. Recapping the functions of it. 1. As subject 2. As object 3. The invisible subject. 4. Identification. 5. It as a substitute. 6. Common confusion. It's versus its. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and comment so I know what you think. Thanks for watching until the end. Bye.